Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is just a short run of what my house looks like most days. I suffer from severe rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis. So this is the aftermath of having a severe flare. When I have a flare, I'm not able to really walk a lot or overexert myself, so my house kind of takes a hit. Everybody here tries to pitch in and keep everything looking clean, but let's be real, life happens and some days you just don't feel like it, and that's fine. I used to be intimidated by all the clean homes and everything is in its place. But in life, we all know that sometimes things are in a disarray. So I give myself a little grace, and I hope this video encourages those of you who just don't have that get up and go to give yourselves a little grace and know that a messy house is okay sometimes. Being sad is okay. Just make sure that in the end you get up and you're fighting. You're fighting to get back to your normal. And your normal is not my normal. My normal is not your normal. So I hope that you all give each other some grace. Our home is 4 years old. It's a new build we had with Lunar. I love it, but sometimes you can see it's not always perfect.